How can you use AI for organizational development work? Well, let me give you 4 examples, all wrapped up into one pretty example. Let's say you need to create a succession planning program. You can use Chat GPT and go in there and ask a prompt and say, create a succession planning program. You can start as broad as that if you want. Now, the more specific your prompt, the more accurate your response will be because it has additional context. But it will generate that, so that's the first way. Have it create the initial outline of the program. And you can use feedback that you give it using natural language to fine-tune that down to what you want. So that's number 1. Number 2, you can then say, I need to pitch this. I need a way to present this to others. Give me a presentation deck. It will do that. It will say slide 1, boom, slide 2, boom, and it will break it down through different slides with all different key content, which that you can then also go through and edit by giving it the feedback using natural language. Number 3, you now have your slides, you now have your program. I want talking points for each of these slides. Help me move this conversation along, help me move this presentation along. Just tell GPT in the same exact conversation you want the talking points. It will generate them for you using all the context from everything that came before that. Now, if that wasn't good enough, here's number 4. You also will need a draft communications plan, a way to get the word out to socialize a marketing campaign. Ask GPT. It will do it for you right there on the spot. Here's initial email, here's social media notifications depending on what you want from it. If it doesn't give you what you want, if you feel something's missing, I want more social media stuff, I want the tone to be a little bit more professional or maybe a little bit more casual, I want it to reference more technology things, whatever it is that you want, you simply give it that feedback. It will auto update that right there in front of you so that literally in just a matter of minutes you can have a succession planning program with a pitch deck outline with talking points and a draft communications plan. How cool is that?